Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Affinity on your MacBook. After being acquired by Canva, Affinity now offers professional-grade photo editing, vector design, illustration, and layout tools, all in one app, completely free. Basically, you're getting the power of Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Canva combined in one place. Let's get started. Click the link in the video description. It will take you straight to Affinity's official page. At the top right corner, click Get Affinity. Then, click Sign up to download. To access Affinity, you'll need to log in with your existing Canva account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the download page. Scroll to the Mac section and click Download for macOS. The download should start automatically. Just save the file to your Downloads folder. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file named affinity.dmg. A new window will appear. Drag the Affinity icon into the Applications folder. This will copy the app to your Mac. When it's done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open your Applications folder and double-click Affinity to launch it. If you see a message saying, "Affinity is an app downloaded from the internet," are you sure you want to open it? Click Open. Now log in with your Canva account. Then skip the intro video, agree to the license terms, and click Continue. Finally, click Start Creating. Here you can set your canvas size, adjust the settings, or pick from ready-made templates. Click the plus button to create a new document. Choose a page size. For example, I'll select a 5, then click Create Document. And just like that, you've got a blank canvas, just like in Photoshop. On the left, you'll find tools like the brush, lasso, and text tools. Across the top, you'll see familiar menus like File, Edit, Document, Text, and Vector, all neatly arranged. It's basically Photoshop and Illustrator, for free. And that's it. With Affinity, you can do photo editing, vector design, illustration, and layout, all in one app, no subscriptions, completely free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.